And what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna make Randy the perfect steak in a cast iron skillet. Hey y'all, I'm Tammy here at All About Living, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna have a really simple kind of celebratory meal. We dodged the bullet and my kitchen is still standing. Our heart absolutely goes out to the people of Steinhatchee and Keaton Beach, because up till 3 o'clock this morning we thought that was us. That storm was massive. It came in as a Cat 4. Our hearts and prayers really go out to those people. It was horrible. All you're gonna need is a good cut of steak, some steak seasoning, whatever kind you like, and some real butter, and a cast iron skillet. That's what you need. And we're gonna have some broccoli florets and some bowtie pasta salad. I know that sounds like a lot, but we haven't eaten since yesterday, right around 3, 4 o'clock. So we're both really, really hangry. So let's get to this. First thing, Randy says I say first thing all the time, but this is really the first thing. We're gonna get high heat. We're gonna get that pan on. We're gonna get about 1.5 quarts of water in here to get it boiling to make our pasta, because pretty much that's the longest thing it's gonna take. Y'all know I love to heavily salt my water anytime I cook pasta. So that's probably 2 teaspoons at least. I mean, I really like to put the salt to the pasta. Okay, now for your pasta salad, you're gonna need some bowtie pastas, some Parmesan or mozzarella cheese. I like this blend here. And some celery, an onion, a carrot, salt and pepper, or maybe not salt. We check that at the end. The salt we check at the end. And some thyme and some parsley. And I might need to put a little heavy cream in there, we'll see. And obviously butter. Y'all know I love to put butter in everything. So that's where we are right now. Let's get these veggies chopped. Okay, I'm going to dice up this onion, and I'm going to dice it pretty small. And don't forget to save those onion peels. They're good for so many things. You just stick them in the freezer, in the Ziploc, till you need them. All right, let's get these cut up where you can see me, but I'm just dicing up a tomato, dicing up an onion. This ain't a tomato, Tammy. And I'm going to take my handy dandy new grater from Aldi. Isn't that cool? It's so neat. I had to have it. All right, we're going to cut the end off of this. And I don't really do anything but wash my carrot. So let's go. Now we're going to go over to the stove and get my cast iron pot hot so we can saute these veggies. Okay, and I'm just going to shoot for a medium flame. Just a good sauteing flame right there. And we're going to wait and let that pan get nice and hot. Okay, I did not put my olive oil in this list, but you need about a teaspoon. I mean, you don't have to have it, but I'm going to use it to make my pan slick. So, that much, about a teaspoon. Okay, and a good tablespoon of butter. Nice sizzle right there. And I'm going to drop all my veggies at once in there. Including the celery. And we really just want to make these like crisp tender. Maybe just a little past crisp tender to go in our pasta. Alright, my water's boiling for my pasta now. Now this is probably not a pound because Randy and I really don't need that much, but if you're feeding a family and you're going to feed 4, you'll need the whole box. Give it a good stir to make sure none of it's stuck together. Stick that lid kind of like that and wait for it to come back up for a boil in about 12 minutes. Okay, now's about the time I'm going to start my broccoli so that everything gets done round about the same time. I'm going to put another tablespoon of butter in the bottom of this saute pan. And I'm going to drop this broccoli right on in there. And I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of salt, not much, because I use buttered salt. Put that lid on there and just let it steam. Okay, this is where I like it now. Just a little bit past crisp tender. So I'm going to take it right out of this pot and set it aside. And we're going to take it right out of this pan. Set it aside. And I'm going to turn that eye off so I don't burn myself. That's about all I'm going to get out of there. Okay, now I'm just going to take a paper towel, and this pan is seriously hot, but I'm going to take a paper towel and wipe all of this out because I don't want it in there burning with my steak. And we're going to turn that eye back on. And this time we're going to go for a medium high. Which is just about right there. And I'm going to put that hot pan right there and let it get hotter. I want it just about to smoke. Okay, now we're going to take our steaks. Just lay them out like that. Get us a good coating of whatever kind of steak sauce you like. Steak seasoning. Pat it all down in there. Make sure it's going to stick. Flip it. Do it again. Right? You know, the best time to buy steaks is at the end of the year around Christmas time. And they always put like rib roasts on sale, and they'll have them for $4.99, $5.99, $6.99, where most of the time they're $13.99, $16.99. If you buy that whole rib roast, I know it's kind of expensive. They run, right between $50 and $70 for a nice rib roast. But you come home and like Randy will slice it up for me, and then I put it in the bag, and then throughout the year, we can have one that didn't cost us an absolute fortune. So that's what these are. These are leftover from Christmas, or right before Christmas, and I think I have one more set, and then we'll be done with the steaks until the holiday season comes back around and we can buy some more. Okay, my pan is seriously smoking now, and that's what I want. I want it to smoke, and I want it to literally burn this butter. That's probably a little over a half a stick of butter. I know that seems extravagant, but I said these were good steaks. While my butter's over there burning, I need to give my taste tester a bow tie and see if they're done. He's making faces, so not quite. See how brown I'm getting? I'm burning that butter, and that's exactly what I want. Now we're going to leave it sit right there. Okay. I am good and burning. Hear that? Yeah. These are beautiful rib roast steaks. Okay, we like medium rare, so that's about 3 minutes on that side. Look how brown it made that fat. Look at that. Maybe 2 minutes on this side. They are perfect for us. If you like them more done, cook them longer. If you like them rare, cook them less. All right, for us, these are done. I'm going to set them on this plate and let them rest while I finish that pasta salad. And I'm going to turn this eye off. I don't need it anymore. Okay, we're going to drop those hot noodles that have been drained really good right back in that pot, because I'm not about messing up a pile of dishes either. I'll drop that in there. All my nice veggies, we're going to drop those. We're going to put some more butter. About a tablespoon. We're going to put a good handful of cheese. A handful of cheese is probably right out of cup. We're going to sprinkle some parsley. About a half a teaspoon. I might add a little more. Oops. And my thyme is not open. There we go. I'll just, same thing, about a half a teaspoon of thyme. And a little bit of pepper. And it's stuck again. Okay, no pepper. We're just gonna go with it. Quick, easy pasta salad. Okay, Randy fixed it. It gets clogged up somehow. Anyway, I got my pepper in there. Now, what I was going to tell you, this pasta salad right here, you could easily turn this into a meal. All you'd have to do is get you a can of white chicken and a few bacon bits, put them in there, heat it back up, and you have a one-pot dinner. Easy peasy. And right on time, my broccoli is steamed. We're going to get it on the plate too. Put it there. Turn that off. After the last couple of days, we are absolutely going to enjoy this. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.